Hello, welcome. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you had the best time. This is like in past tense now. By the time you see this video, it will have already passed. But I'm really excited for today. I'm gonna bring you along with me, washing my hair, getting ready, getting dressed up. Like, that's my favorite part. Honestly, after I'm all dressed up and done my makeup, like, whatever happens after that is fine because I've already had the best time just doing my makeup. But yeah, I really hope you enjoy this day as much as I will. Let's just get straight into it because time is ticking. Okay, I'm using this. This is actually the best. My hair feels so good after I use this and it smells really nice. If you know about Cantu, then you know about Cantu. You don't need me to tell you. Smell. Okay, this is my hair all blown out. I've actually never seen it like this before and I quite like it. But yeah, this is it completely. Blow dried, freshly washed. Let's get into it. The quicker we start, the quicker we can be done.
The next day.
Hey, so I'm gonna start doing my makeup. It's actually the middle of the day, but I have things to do before I go to the restaurant later. So I'm just gonna do it now and kind of get it out of the way. I have an hour, loads of time. So I'm gonna take my time. I think I'm gonna wear red lipstick, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna put that on now. I might do just like red lip liner and then later I'll put the lipstick on, even though I'm gonna be eating. So I feel like I'm gonna eat the lipstick off, but whatever. Yeah, I'll just fly through this. I'll show you some of the stuff that I'm using, but for the most part, I'm just kind of winging it. I don't really know what the vibe is. I'm just gonna do my base and then see what the vibe is. I'm wearing like a black and white two-piece long skirt and matching top, which I'll show you later when I put it on. And I'm not wearing heels tonight because I have a long way to walk to get to the restaurant, so I'm just not gonna wear heels. I'm gonna use this. I never use this and I always put my foundation on and then wish that I used this, but I think it's a skin tint. Oh, you need a steady hand. I think that's cute. I would say that's a finished look. I know it's simple. I'm probably gonna be quite dramatic on the earrings as well. I know it's quite simple, but it's simple, it's cute. I just feel like, you know, it's Valentine's, like you want like sweet, cute, rosy cheeks vibes, and that's what I've gone for. So I'm happy with that. My hair is gonna stay up in this bun probably until I get to the restaurant. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. It's just this top with this woman's face on it, and then it's a matching skirt as well. I'm wearing my trainers, like I said. I got a lot of walking to do, so. But I'm wearing this kind of low rise, so I've got a bit of midriff out. And then my bag is this super sparkly bag. It's so nice. I've had this for such a long time. It's so sparkly. And then my earrings, I just have like a hoop in this one, and then this like triple hoop in this one. You can't even see. But yeah, and then I'm gonna put red lipstick on. I'm gonna let my hair down when I get there, but that's the full outfit.
People make time for what they want. You can keep it moving if you wanna. Take a number out your phone if you're gonna I ain't even gonna trip, I ain't mad. I know how to act. You won't even catch me talking trash. I could get it poppin' if you want it. Have you looking over shoulders real haunted? But I'd really rather take a step back. Time's moving fast and it's already healing my scratch. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. I ain't gonna sit around waiting for you. Got a million other things I gotta do. Got a gig and a script that I'm taking my time with. Then I got signers, publishing got me thriving. I can't let a flake come and kill my mood. Don't even say a thing, don't act a fool. Ain't no need for arguments, I get back to my shining. Back to my grinding, you're ruining my timing. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Many people still around me think I'm fly. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna.
I always on double, because I know Tori's not going to get enough.
Still around me think I'm fly.
I don't even know how to, like, it doesn't even look like anything. Yeah. Ah, it's burning hot. Is it hot when you bite into it?
That's good. Yeah, the outside is very hot and cold.
This is the best. This is so the best thing. Yeah. I'm gonna get my more.
People still around me think I'm fly. I let it slide. Let go, let go, let go. People still around me think I'm fly. I let it slide. Let go, let go, let go.
I really hope you enjoyed. That food was literally the best. I've been there so many times because every single time the service is so good, the food is so good, and it's all you can eat, so it's a set price, so you know what you're paying for, and like I literally couldn't recommend that enough. But I felt really cute as well, so I hope you enjoyed. Happy Valentine's Day, my loves. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your boyfriend, tell your girlfriend. Love you. Bye.